Hello, today we are going to introduce you to a sweeping machine that will take the cleaning of your business to a whole new level. Introducing eJanitor Ride-On Sweeping Machine, a fully electric cleaning machine which meets your every cleaning need. Our eJanitor Ride-On Sweeping Machine includes 2 front brushes and 1 main brush. Together, these brushes efficiently clean all your debris, be it dust, debris, or large pieces. With the help of these brushes, the machine can easily clean corners and other difficult areas as well. Let's take a look at how this machine works. First, we have 2 powerful front brushes that propel the waste to the main brush. Then, the main brush forces the waste into the hopper. This process gives you a clean surface without any hassle. The eJanitor Ride-On Sweeping Machine also includes a special air filter to trap dust and small particles in the air, leaving clean air in and out of your workspace. Remains healthy. Thus, this machine not only cleans but also provides freshness to your environment. This machine is completely electric, powered by a 24-volt battery. Its electric design is not only environmentally responsible, but it also gives you freedom from noise pollution and pollution. Long life. The battery assures you of consistent and effective cleaning. The eJanitor Ride-On Sweeping Machine can be used in many different places. Be it a huge factory hall, hotel lobby, mall shops, airport congestion, railway platforms, parking lots, huge warehouse areas, society premises, or roads, this machine performs everywhere. Our customers are completely satisfied with this machine. They report that the eJanitor Ride-On Sweeping Machine has made their cleaning processes faster, easier, and more effective. Its performance and reliability have made it a must-have in many industries. Has become a mandatory equipment. The servicing process of our machine is extremely simple, and there are no complications in its maintenance. You can enjoy its excellent performance for a long time. If you are looking for an efficient, effective, and eco-friendly cleaning solution for your business, the eJanitor Ride-On Sweeping Machine is the best choice for you. Contact us today and start cleaning your business with this excellent machine. Reinvent the cleaning experience.